Boys, look what came in. I'm so excited. I'm gonna install it. There's a meet at 8:30 and it's currently 4 o'clock, 4 hours. Probably not gonna wash my car because it's really hot. I hate washing my car in the heat. So I'm gonna bring my car out when it's, I guess, chill weather. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the package. Right here, let's open it up. Oh, there's a spider! Die, die, die! As you can see, I have 2 Y pipes. This is the HR one, and this is a Megan Racing. So this should be cool. Shifter springs, thank you, Chris. I bought the HR Y pipe, and then he just gave me another Y pipe and some shifter springs. Thank you. It looks like it's been scraped a little bit, but not too bad. Oh, it's dented. God damn it. Well, okay, let's see. I think we could take off the heat shield and see if it damaged the actual piping. As you can see right there, it's been hit pretty hard. I don't know if it's gonna be an exhaust leak. We will see. I'm gonna take off the heat shield now. Looks to be just a couple screws. These clamp it down. Looks to be good, but now it's this side. Oh, that's a big dent. I don't know what to do about that. I need to start my car now. I'm gonna go put my car on ramps. I'm gonna give you a reaction of me with no Y pipe, which is just the stock one, and with the HR Y pipe. Pretty loud. Oh my god. It just launched forward kind of. Once again at O'Reilly's, and I need some gaskets. So I don't know if they'll have it, but we'll see. It was a pain in my ass getting these gaskets. Hopefully they fit. I don't know if it's gonna though. The flange actually fits in here, but the other side I might have to drill it out a little. Just comes slightly short. It might work, maybe. Got the car all jacked up. Now I need to get a 14 and unscrew all of them. I need a wrench. Oh, I did it. You just have to do it by hand like a man. Okay, ready? I did it. Yes. That was a bitch. Oh my god. I finally did it. All the bolts are on loose, and now I'm gonna try to take it out. Hopefully it goes well. You could see that it's slightly off, so I'm gonna mark with Sharpie and then hopefully drill it out or something. Got the drill, hopefully it works. Let's try this out. Kind of bunk, but I made it work. Time to install. Oh my god, I'm tired. Let's see. I don't know if it's gonna sound different or not. Let's see. I'm scared. That sounds so good. I'm almost out of gas actually. Let's rev it. Woo, I love it. Let's go drive it. I'm gonna get a genuine reaction now, but the startup and the pops, oh my god, I freaking love it. Slightly different. You could feel it more underneath your ass instead of more behind you, you know? Sounds like similar. It sounds pretty similar, to be honest. But I like it. Sounds cleaner, I think, in my opinion. It definitely smells like burnt rubber. I'm rubbing pretty hard, as you can see. I hit the wheel a couple times, but that's just the cost of going this low. But it sounds amazing. I love it. Time to get gas. I noticed less drone. I was at, I think, 5th or 6th gear, 3,000 RPMs. It was unbearable at first, but now it's bearable. Oh my god, what was that? But, dude, dope. Okay, the install was pretty difficult alone, but I managed to get it done. It is possible to work on exhaust alone. It's just better with people around you to help you. What I did was use the floor jack and jacked up one side to get the Y pipe up, and me do the other. It took a lot of work. I got a lot of bruises and scrapes on my arms. Pretty difficult. That was the first time I actually worked on my car alone, kind of, just with no experience. I never worked on my exhaust, so that was the first. I really enjoy how it sounds. I think it sounds like it revs out higher and the overall tone is deeper. I really recommend this. I think it makes a difference, to be honest. But yeah guys, thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for the next video.